What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new, my name is Jaime and this is Project F80. So make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you guys want to keep seeing more F80 videos. So today we're going to be doing a wheel reveal. This is a full forged wheel that I've liked it for a long time. It's been out for a few years, but I couldn't get it for my Lexus ISF, my previous car, just because they didn't have the right specs for it. That company makes the wheels spec'd out specifically for certain cars, so that's just not a wheel that I could really get to fit my car right. But now that I have this M3, I'm finally able to get them, and I gotta say I absolutely love them. I'm really happy with them. The previous wheels I had, the BBSs, they weren't right for the car. The previous owner put them on, and they were 19 by 8.5 and 19 by 9.5. But if you guys know about M3s and M4s, they come factory with 19 by 9, 19 by 10. So they were more narrow than OEM wheels. And I just couldn't get traction with the 275s in the rear. So I really wanted to go with a wider wheel to better fit the car, so I don't have to run spacers and I can run a 305. Also a better looking wheel. So I just took advantage of being able to get these now. So we'll go ahead and show you guys and we'll see what you guys think. I absolutely love them. All right, guys, here are the new wheels. They are a Titan 7 TS5. I think this is their most popular wheel. These wheels are really known and used with the track guys they're known for being really strong and lightweight, and the designs they make clear big brake kits really easily. Not to mention, I just think they look really good. It's just a really good looking wheel. Has nice concave to both front and rear, which is nice. Just a really aggressive look. So it's the TS5. This is their most popular wheel. It's a fully forged wheel. It has the little forged here, and then the Titan 7 and the silver, which is a nice touch to an all black wheel. They only come in two colors. They come in this and then a titanium color, titanium silver, kind of like a gunmetal. I personally like the black. I wish they had a bronze, but they just don't offer that. I think bronze would have looked really good, or like a goldish color for my car. But nonetheless, I think the black looks really good. So this is a really lightweight, strong wheel. And then the design, to me, is one of my favorite designs out there. The previous wheels I had to run with spacers, which I didn't like. The previous owner put them on, and they were just too small for the car. They weren't meant for an F80, probably like more like an F30. So these are specs specifically for the F80. That's one of the things about Titan 7. They make their wheels specific to cars. So this is the F80 setup. So this is a 19 by 9.5 and a 19 by 10.5 in the rear. I believe it's a 22 offset in the front and a 35 offset in the back. So I have plenty of room. I have no issues rubbing. I'm actually gonna be going lower in the rear. So I have, for those of you who haven't seen my previous videos, I have EDM, Emmanuel Design lowering springs. I only installed the front so far because the front had a huge gap, and I haven't done the rears yet, and mainly because I wanted to see how the tires were gonna fit. Since it's a 305, I was a little nervous, but I definitely have room to go lower. And I don't want to slam it, I just want it to sit good. I don't want it to be super low, I want it to be functional. So I think I'll be just fine without even having to roll the fenders. So with these wheels, it allowed me to run a 305, which before I had a 275. So just my traction is going to be so much better now. I had issues up until third gear with the tires. Granted, they weren't like performance tires or nothing, but still. And I ended up putting Kumo, there's a Kumo Extra PS91. So it's a 260 treadwear tire. So not the stickiest, but I think this is good for daily uses, which is what I use the car for. I drive it every day. Yeah, just a really good looking tire, good price point. I know a lot of people run like the R888s, but those are not good for the rain, which the rain season is coming up, and they just do not last at all. Plus they're super expensive. I think for this car, they would have been like almost 400 a tire. So just really expensive. So these were actually 200 a tire. It's perfect for what I need, just a daily driving. These aren't like track tires or nothing like that. And as far as the tire sizes, so I ended up keeping my rear tires that I had on my BBSs. I kept those because they were 275/35, and I put them on the front of these wheels because they're brand new tires. And then I just purchased rear tires for now, and these are 305, and I went with the 30 profile. So 305 3019, and it looks really good like that. I know a lot of people do run the 30 by 35. That's just because the front tire is a little bit stretched and the rear one is really squared off since it is really wide. But it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. I can't wait to lower the rear just so it sits a lot better. I've done a lot of other stuff to the car as well. I just haven't recorded it all. Just like I said, I haven't had time. Although I'll be coming out with another video giving you guys updates on what else I've done, but I'm sure you guys can see some of that stuff now. If you look back at my previous videos, you'll notice the car looks a lot different. I'm really happy with where it's at right now. Yeah, so I'm really happy with how the car looks. I haven't driven it much with these wheels. I had company over this weekend, so I haven't had a chance to really go out and drive it, but I know it doesn't rub or anything. So yeah, guys, I absolutely love how the car looks. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I know not everybody likes track focus wheels. I like all kinds, but for me personally, my personality is a track wheel, some nice concave. You can fit some nice tires on there and just have a good stance. If you guys have any questions about these wheels, just go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll answer them all. Or about the fitment, anything. I'm not running any camber, nothing. This is just factory camber. You can see it fits really good. I could actually probably gone more aggressive or go with even wider tires in the future, but I think this is perfect for just daily use without having to worry about like fitment or rubbing or anything like that, or passengers. This is exactly what I want. I really want a functional car. In the next video, I'll be going over some of the other mods I've done since my last video. I've done quite a bit. The car looks a lot different, so make sure you guys check out that video. That's gonna be pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys the wheels that I got. I absolutely love them. This has been one of my favorite wheels. I'm so happy I went with these. I love the concave, how concave they are, even for the fronts, and then the rears even more so. The fitment is perfect. I don't have to worry about rubbing, like it's just spot on. I could even go more aggressive or a small spacer just to make it sit even more aggressive, but I think this is perfect for functionality and just daily use, because I mean, this is not set up for like track or nothing, but it can be. This is just my daily car that I can take out on the weekends for a fun drive, and it'll handle good. If you guys have any questions about the fitment, where I got them, anything like that, leave a comment and I'll answer them. Thank you guys for checking out the video. I'll be uploading another video shortly as well with all the upgrades I've done since my previous videos, just because I didn't have time to record it all and I just kind of wanted to get all on, to be honest. Hopefully I get my better GoPro here shortly, so the quality of the video is a little bit better. I'm using an older GoPro, which isn't the best, but I just wanted to get this video out to you guys so you guys can check it out. Definitely make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.